afternoon, TMS. Casey Wonder, the head of the bowling coach for Tiffin Columbian High School, is looking for up to 16 bowlers for the Travel Bowling League. This is a league that bowling is in high school style format, 2 regular games and 5 Baker games. Each team has 4 kids per team. This is a good and fun introduction to high school bowling.
This is not directly affiliated with Tiffin Middle School, but we are a Tiffin bowling team, and parents or guardians are responsible for transportation. Our first practice will be held December 14th at Plaza Lanes and costs $10. Matches are held on Sundays with a 12 p.m. start time. First match will be January 19th or January 26th, and the league will be 8 weeks long, plus an awards week. If interested, please call or message Coach Weidner by December 14th at 419-307-9731.
Our TMS PTO is holding a winter dance on Friday, December 20th. Cost is $3 and refreshments will be available to purchase.
Student Council will be selling candy canes next week, December 16th through December 20th, during all lunches. Each candy cane is $1. They include original peppermint, airheads, skittles, and starburst flavors.
Staff and students, this week is the last week to order Cooper shirts. Don't miss out on this. Remember to fetch your order form in the office. If you have any questions, please see Miss Malat.
There will be a Power of the Pen meeting today after school until 3:30 in room 108. Your first writing assignment is due at the meeting. If you haven't turned in your sign-up sheet, this needs to be done this week. Please contact Miss Connor or Miss Helkey if you have any questions.
The TMS wrestlers traveled to Bellevue for a quad match. The Tornadoes competed against Bellevue and Firelands middle schools. In a match against Bellevue, Connor Fritz, Drew Newman, Asia Lee Ellis, Vinny Bustecker, Aiden Yoshimoto, Julian Gosman, Brock Fox, and Cameron Muzzy all won by pin, with Emery De La Cerda winning by tech. In the Tornadoes and Firelands match, Blake Gibson, Vinny Bustecker, Asia Lee Ellis, Brown Bolin all won via pin. Emery De La Cerda won by 6-1 decision, and Elias Hook, Connor Fritz, Ali Nateki, Julian Gosman, Aiden Yoshimoto, Brock Fox, and Cameron Muzzy all won via forfeit. Both teams are back at home next Monday, December 16th, and take on the Polar Bears of Margaretta. The TMS 7th grade boys basketball team lost to the Streaks of Sandusky Middle School. The TMS 8th grade basketball team lost to the Streaks of Sandusky Middle School by a score of 62-55. Lucas Smyser led the way with 26 points, while Kyle Hepp contributed 13 points in the losing effort. Mr. Alley hosted 2 raffles. The winner of the Big Mike's t-shirt raffle is Connor Fritz. And now, the winner of the guitar lessons raffle with over 6,000 entries is Caden Tyree. Congratulations! Lunch will offer cheese pizza, cauliflower, cucumbers, applesauce, and strawberries. These have been your TMS afternoon announcements. Tornado Pride, we don't stop.